Today, we're diving into this Christmas Eve box DIY using Canva. Let's get crafty and infuse a sprinkle of creativity into your holiday preparations.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, we're going to be walking you through how to create these adorable Christmas Eve gift box labels using Canva. So if you're interested in learning how to create these yourself, make sure you watch the entire video. Stay tuned. Before we jump in, make sure you have these supplies handy. These 6 by 4 inches gift boxes, sticker paper or glossy photo paper, a printer, a free Canva account, double-sided tape, and either scissors or a paper trimmer.
Let's go to canva.com and sign into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and easy to create a free account. You can also explore the benefits of Canva Pro by using our referral link and signing up for a 30-day free trial. After logging in, click on Custom Size, make sure it's in inches. You want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches. Then click the Create a New Design button. Next, go up to Elements and select the square shape from the Shapes section. Add the square to your page and adjust its size using the provided measurements.
The first label is for the top of the gift box, and the second label is for the side of the gift box. Now we can head over to the Uploads tab and upload any Christmas clip arts and images we may want to use in our design. You can also go up to Elements and search Canvas Library for clip art and images.
Just keep in mind that if you don't have Canva Pro, any images that have the Pro icon on the side of them are not going to be free. To filter only free images, click on the filter button, scroll down to the price section, select the checkbox beside the free option, and click on the Apply Filters button. You can save time and use our ready-to-edit template or design from scratch. First, we're going to show you how to add clip art, text, and checkboxes if you're designing from scratch. You can also use an image as your background, such as this Christmas wallpaper image.
If you want to save time, you can grab our pre-designed, ready-to-edit Canva template from our website. It comes with both the 6 by 4 and 8 by 4 inches box labels.
The template is available for purchase on the website, or it's available for free to our Patreon members. If you're interested in joining our Patreon or grabbing the ready-to-edit Christmas Eve gift box template from our website, the links can be found below. Next, using the ready-to-edit template, we will quickly show you how to personalize, save, download, print, and assemble the 6 by 4 box labels. After customizing your labels, click the Share button in the upper right corner and select Download. For the best print quality, choose the PDF print file format. If you've printed on photo paper, use double-sided tape to attach the labels to the top and side of your gift box. Now your Christmas Eve box is almost ready to spread some holiday cheer. Fill it with joy, whether it's goodies, small gifts, treats, or essentials for a Christmas movie night. Make it uniquely yours. You can find the link to our Christmas Eve box Canva template and all the supplies used in the description below. Don't miss out on our upcoming DIY adventures and holiday-themed content. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by ringing that bell icon. Stay tuned for more creative inspirations and joyful celebrations. Thank you for joining us on this merry crafting journey.
Please share your Christmas Eve gift boxes with us on social media. Tag us at Hanging with the Kiddos and use the hashtag Christmas Wishes with HWTK. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.